What's up guys, Scar Mega here, and welcome to my first video. Yeah, funny. So, let's jump in. If you're wondering on how I got the name, it's just that I, legit thought that it'd be something cool. I was wrong. I just wanted something that was quick and rolled off the tongue, so... Oh god. I've played this many times before off camera, so... I really hate this military base. I could barely find any weapons when I'm playing either, so... Yeah. I was just hoping to play like a couple of minutes. About like 10. Oh crap. Let's pick up some weapons. Ah crap. Wrong button. Exactly why I hate this game. As soon as I kill one that was like hard to beat, I get another one on my ass. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that word. Oh no, don't back up into any others. Punch you in your face. Eh. 70%, 80%, come on. Yes. Ooh. Woo! My gosh, I can't find any weapons whatsoever. All I have is these things, and they're stupid as what? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm done here. Hit me! Champagne. Never. Yes! Come on. One hit. I might need that. And some fuel. I hate these things. Their hitbox is like non-existing. I hit you! Jeez. I should rid all the zombies of this. From here. From this premises. I love how this sledgehammer is just like one hit kill. It's the best thing ever. Every time. Ew, one of these things. If you're wondering what they're used for, it's a trap, so... One hit. Oh. I thought it was a gunner on that one. Except Batman doesn't kill. I'm gonna get copyrighted by saying the name. The heck would I need shit? Never mind. I'm naked. Let's drop you. Put you, sorry, put you on. Let me pick you back up. Switch to sledgehammer. I'm only gonna be recording for like another 5 minutes. Did I get them all? No, I didn't. Did I? I think so. I feel like that's supposed to be way more effective than. Nope. Okay, yeah, I didn't get them all. Perfect. My base now. Oh my gosh, zombies barely drop anything. That's a sucky thing. Where's your hit button? Oh. That was surprisingly easy. I don't see why I can't just take your clothes. Instead of walking around half naked. This guy would rather walk around half naked than wear zombie clothes. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure I'd want my dingling hanging around in a zombie attack or apocalypse. What should I drop? What should I drop? Don't need you because I don't have a car. I'll save those for later. Whoa! Scar the Zombie Slayer. Coming to a theater near you. I'm at least hoping to hit at least 1,000 subs. That'll be amazing. Oh, how did I miss you? Haha! Might as well eat them berries now. I guess that was good. Went down like 10%. I didn't really see what it was at before. I might be playing some other games on my channel. Depends. But like Gary's mod, but I'm too cheap to buy it, so I might get it later on though, so that's a good thing. Wow, the one thing I need doesn't spawn. The one thing I don't need spawns. I need pants. You never know. One of these crawler zombies could bite down. Wow, that was really stupid of me to make that joke. Probably we'll end this in like 1 more minute. can't believe I still can't believe I made that joke. Stupid of me. But it was kind of funny. Because, you know, everybody loves them dirty jokes. You know what's good. Alright. Looks like I'm done here. I'll be back later, so, yeah. Bye.